Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are in the pink of your health and preparing for your MA English exams. Today, I am here with the summary of the poem My Grandmother's House of MEG 7 by Kamla Das. You will find the summary really very easy, so stay tuned till the end. And we shall begin now. My Grandmother's House appeared in Kamla Das' first collection of poems, Summertime in Calcutta, 1965. The poetess has expressed love and affection towards her grandmother through this poem. First of all, I shall read the poem for you. Poem My Grandmother's House by Kamla Das. There is a house now far away where once I received love. That woman died, the house withdrew into silence, snakes moved. Among books I was then too young to read, and my blood turned cold like the moon. How often I think of going there to peer through blind eyes of windows, or just listen to the frozen air, or in wild despair pick an armful of darkness to bring it there to lie behind my bedroom door like a brooding dog. You cannot believe, darling, can you, that I lived in such a house and was proud and loved, I who have lost my way and beg now at strangers' door to receive love, at least in small change. So, this was the poem, and now we shall move to the summary of the poem. The poetess is reliving the memories of old days spent in the grandmother's house. Those were the happiest days of her childhood. She tells us about her ancestral home, which is in Malabar, Kerala, and is well connected with the love of her grandmother. Her grandmother loved her a lot, and she remembers each and every moment spent in her grandmother's home. The poetess explains how her ancestral home went into silence with the death of her grandmother. It was looking like the house itself mourning on her death. After her death, her blood turned as cold as moon. She spent her whole life loving all those who were connected to her in any way. Now, the poetess is living in the city, which is quite far away from her grandmother's place. She felt really sad and hurt whenever she was remembering the old and precious moments spent with the grandmother. This looks disheartening when she needs the same love and affection she was getting from her grandmother. Now the poetess is married, but she cannot expect that pure and spiritual love even from her husband. She wants that unconditional love which her grandmother provided every time. She is missing and remembering that simple and innocent love of our grandmother which is lost with her death. She expects to get that love by wandering towards some stranger's door, but she knows somehow that it is impossible to obtain such pure love of a grandmother from anyone else. She is depicting her husband while talking about stranger's door. She is begging for the love but failed to attain from anyone else. So, friends, it was the brief summary of the poem, and I hope that this video will be really helpful for you all. And stay tuned for the more video updates. Please like, share, and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you, and have a nice day.